Everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, because people are joining from all over the place. That's the beauty of virtual meeting. So my name is Sunil Sinha. I'm a professor and director at Virginia Tech. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, it's a very tight agenda. It's a workshop, it's not a conference. So we have combination of presentations, then breakout session. We want everyone to participate. So in the beginning, you can all keep muted. And then once we go in the breakout, then we can have the open discussion. And also you can use the chat function. That's really important. And all these will be recorded, so you will get everything. So again, thanks everyone for joining. I will go over brief introduction, how we have set up this whole workshop and some of the logistics. And then we will start with the presentations from our invited speakers. So let me start moving my slide here. So this is part of the whole initiative is part of NSF ERC. Some of you are not aware of this. NSF stands for National Science Foundation. ERC is Engineering Research Center. So this is generation 4, and I will talk about what generation 4 means. So this ERC NSF is running from, I believe, 1986. So that was kind of an early time, that generation 1. Then they started generation 2, generation 3. Now we are generation 4. So last year they asked for proposals and for national interest. So we did submitted our proposal and we got selected. And we got, it's not a big amount of money, we got $100,000 for 1 year to develop full proposal. That was the whole planning grant, what they called. So I just cut and pasted what you are seeing here on the screen, the proposed Smart One Water. So we propose to have a Smart One Water, and I will talk where the smartness is coming. We have many definitions, smartness, intelligent, integrated. So there are many terms. So we are using smart. And then one water, again, it's a concept of how to look at the water as a one from holistic point of view. So our proposed Smart One Water Cyber Physical Social Infrastructure, ERC, which we are planning to develop full proposal based on this planning grant. And that's what we are doing right now. So one water, as you can see this figure, you may have seen from many different versions of this, but the whole thing is it started from early 1800 based on the needs for the water, then wastewater, public health, storm water from flood point of view, then social amenity waterways. Now we are in 21st century. We want this whole all to be integrated as a one. Right now, these are silos, heterogeneous, rigid infrastructure and institutions. So our hope is if we are successful, then the new paradigm will look like more integrated and more homogeneous and flexible infrastructure system. So where smartness is coming is, if you can see this slide, the smartness is coming from data and how we collect all those. I'm not saying data is not being collected, but these are all collected in silos. Even for drinking water side, there are many like pipes, pumps, treatment plants. So there are many different assets, they collect data. So they are not integrated. They are not integrated across different domains of water. So that's kind of our overarching vision is how to get all these integrated so that from system analysis point of view, we can do analysis as one water. So that's kind of a background. What is this Smart One Water? And you will hear today a lot of things related to the water governance and implementation. So NSF ERC generation 4, we need to address 4 pillars of that. So the 4 pillar is, one is the convergence research, second is innovation ecosystem, third is workforce development, and then stakeholder engagement. So all 4 need to be addressed, not just focused on research. Earlier, NSF ERCs were more heavily focused on research and then outcome coming into education and other, but now generation 4, we need to address. That's why we held all these workshops. So some of you attended our first workshop, luckily before COVID, in December 9th in Arlington, we had face-to-face. That was focused on mission, vision, and stakeholder engagement. Then we came with the second, we wanted to do the workshop, which was workforce development. We planned earlier face-to-face in California, but we couldn't do it, as you know, because of the COVID, so we went virtual. So May 13th, we held that. Now we are developing white paper on that. Then on June 10th, we held innovation ecosystem. This is our fourth workshop and third virtual, governance and implementation. Then we will go and do the workshop, diversity and culture of inclusion also, because that's also the key component of, there are 4 pillars, and then in the center you are saying is diversity and culture of inclusion, that everyone should be part of it. That's the key focus from NSF. So that's kind of give you the timeline, what we are planning. We do have to submit the entire proposal October 2nd, 5 p.m. Eastern time. So that's what we are progressing, and that's with the white paper, with the help of all these stakeholders, we are trying to develop this. So today we will focus more on governance, coordination, implementation, and we partnered, every workshop we partner with utilities, and this time we partnered with Miami-Dade and also Utility Alliance and FIU, which is a partner of our ERC. So this workshop, there are a couple of logistics I will give you. So workshop will be recorded, even in the breakout session, when you go into the 2 different rooms, it will be recorded and we will share. The reason I'm using this Zoom chat is because if you have some good reference or in discussion, you want to add something there, use the chat function, because that becomes a part of the recorded conversation. So all those will be available, and everything we will upload in a Google Drive. And we will share all presentations today, all the recordings and everything. And then we will go, it's not like this workshop, we finish at 5 o'clock today and go home. We will engage you, all the participants, for white paper development. That's what we are doing with other workshops also. And then we will use this, whatever great ideas we discussed today, to become a part of this NSF ERC proposal, which we are planning to submit on October 2nd, as I give you the deadline.